Growing up, I can remember those early mornings in the tractor seat. With the sun coming up, shining through the tractor window, there's just nothing like it. Farming isn't a 9-to-5 job. You only have so many hours in a day and only so many days to get a crop planted. You learn that work ethic because it was part of what you needed to do to make sure the farm is successful. There's just something about hard work, and at the end of the day, you feel good about what you've accomplished. Pretty much everything I learned on the farm, I learned from Dad. He taught me to plow and he taught me to plant. But he also taught me that when you work hard, you can play hard. As a kid, I still remember scouting fields with him, riding our motorcycles from field to field. Dad looked forward to scouting, and I looked forward to racing down the dirt path once our work was done. Farming is not just about planting the seed or raising a crop. It's about measuring what you do, learning from your experience, and then doing something different to improve your operation. It's a very noble calling as a farmer to realize how many lives you truly are affecting. Farming is a God-given gift and responsibility. He has a purpose for everything and every season under the sun. Being a farmer, you get to see the beauty in what God has created and in how each season and each crop is truly unique. That's why I farm.